So I was asked to talk about what I've learned about social media this month during my class, and also what I plan on doing to change and adapt how I use my social media right now. So, first of all, my most effective post and the one that had the most audience engagement was the question that I posted, and specifically on Facebook. Part of the reason I think it grew so much attention on Facebook was because of the fact that it's connected with my other one, and I think I set that up right. So people were able to see it more. Um, it got several. It got about it got several likes, more than the other ones, and beyond likes, people actually asked me about that, like behind the scenes, and that was one of the big things. Also, I posted uh, some comments on my personal social media to test them and see which crowd is going to draw, whether it draws more of a business crowd or more people who are actually affiliated with what I do, or if it draws more so just your average everyday watcher and consumer. And what I do is film. And so the post I did drew traffic. It actually drew out a lot of artists, which is very good because it drew out a lot of different artists. So so far it's only been likes, and I know we're supposed to have more. So that means I need to make a lot of adjustments with my posts going forward. The way I'm gonna change that approach is the way I plan to change that approach is to one is to build my followers, make sure to connect all my social medias to each other. Two is to post more frequently and to have things to post. Another thing I want to do is to make my page look more professional by adding pictures, background pictures, profile pictures, and things like that. That way, when I post, I'll have something to interact, and my page appears more professional to people who get on the page. The other thing I'll change is when I'm marketing myself. I want to ask questions and things that encourage women to interact with my page, because women are the main demographic as it pertains to social media. So by getting women to engage, either by asking questions that look for a female perspective on films, or maybe it's just a story that's related to women, but by doing that, I'm able to improve what I'm doing now, and hopefully make a better social media platform. So this is what I've learned. A lot of the data and statistics that I noticed was even for other people, as they promote things that are for women, they would get more traffic. So that's one of the biggest things and biggest takeaways that I got. Statistically, they got more shares, they got more comments and likes and everything. So that was probably the biggest, most valuable part that I learned. And also to, instead of posting about myself, post things that engage and interact with others. Thank you.